nighttime. It is 6:20 in the morning. I'm running real late. But my son helped me install the CSRacing exhaust system on Nariko. He wants to know how it sounds. And even though we all know video doesn't always give audio the justice, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And you guys will hear how it sounds a little bit as we ride. But she's much louder than before. So let's start her up and go from there. That is her. Not purring like a kitty anymore. She actually purrs like a lioness, ready to attack. Wow. Let's hit the road. Let's try not to lose another phone. Man, I hope this audio comes out good. Alright. Let's start and see. Huh? Oh, I got a little traffic. Come on, Pop. I think she sounds gorgeous. I guess that woke up the neighborhood. Alright, so I am enjoying the exhaust a lot. I think it adds a lot better sound to it. The only thing is I'm going to have it tuned. Every now and then I get a little backfire, and I don't want that because everybody knows what that backfire truly means. So I'm going to try to go ahead and get it tuned. I don't think I can get this particular ECU flashed on the 2013. But if anybody knows, if I'm able to get a 2013 Suzuki GSXR 600 flash, let me know, because I would love to put it on unrestricted. But until then, I got an hour ride to work, and it's actually going to be about an hour and 15 minutes. So until next time, I'm going to cut the audio. Well, not really. Not really. I think what I'm going to do is just ride. It's going to be about an hour and 15 minutes before I get to work. We'll just go from there. Hear what you hear, see what you see, if anything comes through. A little bit of backfire. It sounds more like to me is back pressure. But hey, I'm not a mechanic. I don't know this thing. We love to race motorcycles to the turning lane, but we get pissed off when a motorcycle comes by you faster. We get pissed off when a motorcycle lane filters because there's dead stop traffic. But they will race you to a traffic light that's red. I'm not understanding it. That's all. Just not understanding it. Now, how much traffic do we have? Doesn't look like much. I mean, she is much louder than usual. I think it just gives it that bite now. The bite that I enjoy. At least, I got a feeling there's going to be a lot of static in here. And I hear it popping in my ears now. Popping bad. I hope the audio is okay still, but I don't know. We'll find out much too late. Wow. Oh, heard it again. I don't think you guys are going to be able to hear it. I'm just going to be disappointed. But it sounds so good. It sounds so good. There she goes. I don't know if you heard that one either. Watch. Whoa, boy. If y'all can't hear it and the audio is all staticky, I'm going to be so upset. Because I am, for a long time, I am really a kid in a candy store. Dude. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. If it's not coming through and it's all staticky, I really apologize. That just means that I'll have to do it again.